Lamb biryani, guys, such a beautiful Indian dish. There's lots of things going on and lots of things to prep, but it's so worth it at the end. So we have a marinade to do for the lamb. We have to fry some onions. We have to bloom some saffron in the milk. We have to pre-cook the rice. We have to chop some mint and coriander together. And then we can finally build it. So, I think I'm gonna get it ready for 6 to 8 people. I got 1.4 kilo of lamb leg meat. So it's not too fatty, it's more meaty. Here I'm gonna have 6 garlic cloves for this quantity and 30 grams of ginger. In a food processor, let's blitz it. 2 mild chili, 1 green, 1 red. A good soup spoon of ground coriander. A good soup spoon of tikka masala. And 1 soup spoon of turmeric. Some yogurt. Here's a Greek yogurt, 500 grams, which will help to tenderize the meat. Mixy mixy. Let's chop our meat in quite big chunk because it will reduce size while it cooks. Something like that. The meat into the marinade and let's mix it. Right, so we're gonna rest the meat for a good 2 hours before cooking it. Overnight, always better. But we don't have time for overnight. Yum, yum, yum! The meat has well matured into this marinade. It has been 2 hours now, so we're gonna cook it. Little bit of oil, and then the meat. That's gonna wake up all the flavor, tenderize the meat even more. Beautiful. We're gonna cover it with a parchment paper and simmer it low heat for 2 hours. Since I have no lid, I will place a tin foil. Look at this. Oy, oy, oy. The lamb is so tender. Look at that. Look, how tender is this? So did you see out of our 1.4 kilo of meat, there's not much left. Everything has reduced. Okay, next, the red onions. So here we have 3 big red onions sliced. Let's fry it. So it can take up to 10 minutes, but gently, gently, not the oil not too hot. You want kind of caramelize them. But stay with them. This is very crucial. It's your little babies. Right, so now we're gonna do the rice. Usually you use basmati rice, but here I got Thai jasmine fragrance rice. I love the jasmine rice. About 2 kilo. So to help tenderize the rice, we soak it in water for 30 minutes. Cold water, nicely and soaked. Right, in the meantime, we're gonna get ready our water, our big bath of water where we're gonna cook our 2 kilo of rice. So a big enough pan, enough water to cook the 2 kilo of rice. But we're gonna flavor it. 3 bay leaves, 3 little cinnamon stick. We're gonna go for 6, 8 cardamom, bit of salt. Oh, and I forgot 3 cloves. Okay, our fresh coriander. See, we have 2 handful and 1 handful of fresh mint. We're gonna chop that together very finely. The aroma is so fresh. So now the last prep for the biryani. We're just using a little pan. Put some milk, but not too much, like 200 grams. And we're gonna start heating it up. We want to heat up the milk at body temperature, so 38 degrees, so the saffron can infuse. A good pinch of saffron here, and let's swirly. So now this is hot enough, we're gonna rest it on the side. All right, so the rice has been soaked half hour now. We're gonna drain it all. Oh, look at this beautiful flavored water. Let's put our soaked rice now. All right, so we're gonna cook it for 5 minutes. There you go, the 5 minutes has gone. Let's drain it. That's it, we've got everything now. We've got our cooked rice, the fried onions, the beautiful lamb, and the fresh herbs. So now we can build the biryani. Ooh, and the saffron, of course, saffron milk. Let's do it. So let's put our meat first. With all the sauce. Nicely spread. Then we want some rice over it. I might have done a bit too much rice. The cinnamon stick can go in. That's all good. Okay, a nice layer. Then goes the fried onions all around. Freshly chopped herbs. Then we go over again with rice. Onions. Whatever we have left. Herbs. And then our milk saffron. 1 drop here. 1 drop there. Over here. That will marble the rice inside. And it's gonna look so fabulous. There you go. Tin foil over it. put the lid, and back on the stove, low heat for 15 minutes. It's nearly there, nearly there. Guys, I got half of the rice left, so just a kilo of rice would be plenty. There you go, 15 minutes has gone. Switch off the stove, put it on the side, don't peek, don't open the lid. So it finished steaming up all together. A 20 minutes rest and then we can open. Moment of truth. Ha ha. Oh, it's nice and steamy in there. So, the revelation. Look at that. Let's scoop it up. Right, go to the bottom to get some meat. Oh, look at this. The marbling. Oh, some meat is here. There you go, guys, the biryani. So delicious. Look at the tender piece of lamb here. So this is a dish I've made for my wife tonight. It's her birthday. So hopefully she likes it. Let me taste it first. Bit of onions, bit of lamb. It's so tender. Even the grain is so delicious. The soaking, very important. That's it, guys. Well, totally worth doing it.